My name is Kaushal Sharma. I'm a chemical engineer. I was a very healthy, having active lifestyle. All of a sudden, what happened? January 2022, I happened to be in Mumbai for some official visit, and I was staying in a hotel. And then I contracted COVID there. Probably it was third wave of COVID that time. And after a few days, I had so much severe pain on my right leg that I couldn't even move. It was difficult to go to even toilet. Then I met a doctor and I thought it's some kind of minor problem, but when they took my MRI, I was diagnosed with bilateral avascular necrosis of hip joints. And I never heard of it before, and it was too terrifying for me. I asked them what are the options available, but unfortunately it was quite advanced stage. Still I was given some medicines by some Mumbai doctor and I went back to Malaysia. But gradually my situation worsened and worsened. And then I again came back. I started exploring what are the options available for this problem. But people said it's ultimately the last resort is hip replacement if the advancement or degeneration doesn't cease. And then in the meantime my left hip also I started giving the same problem. So then so my mobility got compromised. My life had literally been very difficult. Then I started meeting doctors for my surgery. Because my wife is also a doctor, she's an ophthalmologist. And we read about it and we found there are various techniques for the hip replacement. So I met many doctors in Mumbai. There is no hospital which I left in Mumbai. But everybody was doing through a conventional technique called posterior method, which is not so good as compared to the latest advanced one called DAA, direct anterior approach. Then I started searching on internet. I met a couple of doctors in Delhi. He was also doing through DAA, but I wasn't really very convinced. Then I got to know Dr. Narayan Hulse through internet. And then I started reading about him. I found him very, very knowledgeable. And then there are a lot of things about this robotic hip replacement. And that really, made me, explore further about it. I came and met Dr. Hulse. And it was, love at first sight, I tell you. When I met him, the kind of confidence he gave me. He was so thorough in his understanding about this whole subject. And he told me about this robotic hip replacement. It was quite interesting, and he said the recovery is very good, and especially he was the one thing which I was looking for, this direct anterior approach. He was master of it. I further explored about, then he had already got the training in US and he had worked in prestigious hospitals across the globe, across the world. But anyway, after 3 months, again I came back on 1st of October, got the right also done, and now I am living a life which was beyond my imagination, to be honest. Total joint replacement, that's called THR, total hip replacement. And the results were amazing. I couldn't believe, it was like, a life-changing event in my life. For last 2 years, I was living a life full of pain and struggles. After my left hip replacement, it was like, I was already 50% okay and recovery was so fast. He made me walk the same day. And then within a couple of days, the pain was gone and I was walking normally. But still, I was compromised because my right hip still was pending. And what is the advantage of, smaller incision? You lose less blood during operation and your recovery is very fast. So Dr. Hulse is not only expert of doing direct anterior, he does it through minimally invasive approach by having a very minimum incision on your, body. And he's just amazing. And so the recovery is very fast. You get on your, legs very fast. You get back to your normal activities very fast. So the great thing about Dr. Hulse is not only direct anterior approach, it does it with a perfection, with minimum scar on your body. I'm really, from my bottom of my heart, I'm so grateful to him and my whole family. And I would say this, and Fortis Hospital, my God, amazing. Seriously, I couldn't believe. So well managed.